Oversized corner vacant Gulf Access lot with a southwest rear exposure and beautiful wide intersecting canal views. Over 15,500 square foot of land. Boat dock, boat lift, and seawall already installed. Located in southwest Cape Coral near Surfside Blvd. Only one bridge to go under before reaching the boat lock, open water and the Gulf of Mexico. There are a growing number of newer homes in the area of this Gulf Access vacant lot. Easy access to Cape Harbour, Tarpon Point, Cape Coral Yacht Club, beaches, Fort Myers and the RSW Airport, Pine Island, Store Marina, Matlacha, and Port Charlotte areas. Close to parks, boat ramps, Publix, Walgreens, shopping, and much more. This Gulf Access lot is ready and waiting for your new home site.